Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to use Talabat Voucher. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Talabat application, which of course I've done right here. The next one is, how can you download Talabat? You can get Talabat on Google Play Store or Apple Store, depending on the device that you use. So, launch any of these applications and locate the search bar. In the search bar, type Talabat and follow through the on-screen instructions to install. And after installing, it's going to take you right into the sign up page. We're going to be asked to either create a new account or to log in using an existing account. Whichever one you choose, once you sign in successfully, it's going to take you right into this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time in Talabat. So now let's quickly hop into today's text, and that is how to use the Talabat voucher. From this homepage, head over to the bottom of your screen where you have a couple of icons representing diverse features. Home, search, orders, and accounts. Now click on accounts, it takes you here. Now you have rewards, your orders, Talabat Pay, vouchers, Talabat Pro, get help, and about app. So go ahead and click on vouchers. Now it says no voucher available, so you can get vouchers by redeeming your reward points. Click on got it code. Enter the code. If you have a voucher code, then go ahead and add any voucher of your choice. So you can get vouchers by redeeming your reward points. You know how to redeem your reward points. Go ahead and click on rewards. Now they say the more you keep shopping, the more you keep getting points. And after redeeming your points, you can get vouchers. Now this is how to use the voucher. You can use that on any order. So open up any product that you want to order. So once you click on any product that you want to order, it takes you to this page. Now here we have save on your order. You have this enter voucher option. Now click on enter voucher code and enter your voucher code. Once you enter the voucher code that you want to redeem, click on that and click on checkout. So once you click on checkout, whatever is in the voucher is definitely going to be put to effect during checkout. So you can go about this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.